All right, let's talk about something that can bring your whole network down, a broadcast storm.
You know that nightmare scenario? The network just stops, and you have no idea why?
Well, the culprit is often a broadcast storm. The network is basically drowning in its own traffic.
So, how does it start? With just one single, normally harmless, broadcast packet.
Think of an ARP request, just asking who has a certain IP. It's a totally normal function.
But throw a simple network loop into the mix, and everything changes dramatically.
See, a switch just does its job. It forwards that broadcast packet out of every single port.
But that loop, it sends the packet right back to the switch, which then sends it out again. This creates a crazy feedback loop, amplifying traffic until it becomes a full-blown storm. And here's the kicker. These packets don't have an expiration date. They can literally loop forever. The result? The storm eats up all your bandwidth. Normal traffic just grinds to a complete halt.
So, how do we stop this mess? Well, it really depends on what kind of switches you're using.
If an unmanaged switch causes a storm, a smart managed switch can detect it and shut the port down.
And hey, loops aren't just from plugging in cables wrong. Wireless can be the culprit too.
Now you've got a loop between wired and wireless paths, and bam, another broadcast storm starts.
Okay, so how can we actually defend our networks from this kind of meltdown?
Your best bet is a layered defense, but there's one tool that's absolutely crucial: STP.
STP is your #1 defense. It's literally designed to find these loops and block them. Think of it like a traffic cop, making sure there's only one active path open at a time.
So the big question is your network, the backbone of your operations, actually prepared for the storm?